Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to fix Facebook session expired issue. Okay, the first solution that you can actually try is to try to refresh the Facebook application when you are using it by scrolling from up to down when you are in the home screen. So this is the first method. The second method is to simply go to the settings. After you go to the settings, you should scroll down till you find here the general menu. Just tap on the general, and after that you want to go and click on iPhone storage. Then after going to iPhone storage, you should search for Facebook. So scroll down till you find here this option right here, Facebook. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you should just choose offload app. Once you choose offload app, you'll just have to click on reinstall, and this will update your Facebook application to the latest version. And the last thing that you can actually try is to use the Safari. So use Safari and log in into your account by using Safari and by using Facebook on Safari. And you can also try to use the cellular data if you are using your Wi-Fi, or try to use the Wi-Fi if you are using the cellular data. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.